Today we will be mixing JB WELD to glue on these windows for the 124 NASCAR diecast. Okay, so first you get the white or black. You can pick whatever first. Just put some on the plate, and then you're gonna have to get the other one. It's a mess. So you get the other one, then you put it on right next to the other color, like that. And then what you do is you get like the end of a little paintbrush like this, and then you mix it together. Until it turns gray. And then you can take it, scoop some out, and then put it in the holes. You can do the same thing on the 164s. So you put it in the holes like that. And this stuff like holds really good. Okay. I'm gonna grab a bigger piece right here and like get it all in there so it can just hold a little better. Alright, that's just how you do it, and then you let it dry. Thanks for watching.